Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the increase indent and decrease indent on your Canva docs on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to use the increase indent and decrease indent in your Canva doc or your computer. So it's simple. For an example, I just copied this paragraph from the Google. So I just need to make this use the increase indent and decrease indent near the Google. So click on this line where you just need to use the increase indent, and in the floating toolbar on the top you have this option called increase indent. You just click this, you can see it automatically changes the line. So I just need to have a decrease indent, so it's making the decrease. So if you just select it also, you can just use this increase indent and decrease indent like this, or you can just use decrease indent to change the paragraph like this. So this is a way to use the increase and decrease indent in the Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.